All right, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Today we're working on a 2013 Chevy Tahoe, and the back door doesn't open up, so we got to figure this out. As you can see, nothing is happening. So the first thing I'm going to do is check the fuse. All right, your fuse box is located here. Just want to pull up on it. Alrighty, so hopefully y'all can see this, but I'm gonna point it out anyway. All right, you got this lift gate right here, which is number 44, fuse 44, and that's a 15 amp. And that would be this one right here, this blue one right there. So we're gonna pull that out and look at it. So fuse look fine. So now we have to do something else. We have to troubleshoot. I'm in tight quarters right now. I had to climb over the speakers, the back seat, and everything, but we got in here. So what you have to do now, you see this little, like a little hole? Well, what you have to do here is drill that out. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drill that out, and you're going to take a screwdriver, and where the actuator is located, you push that, put that screwdriver right there and push, and it should open the door. So we're gonna see if it works. All right, I was able to get the trunk open, or the lift gate open there. As you can see, it's a hole right here, and all you do is stick something down in there, and you just have to work with it. It took me a little while to get it open. So make sure you drill that hole out. So this one, I believe, is going to need another latch because it's not getting power at all. So we're going to address that too. All right, this is the problem right here, which is the door actuator latch. You have 3 of these that goes into here, and here. So I think it's a Torx. Wow, man, it's so rusty I can't see it. But anyway, it's a Torx, and it goes down in there. Let me show you. This is how you have to open it. So once you go in that hole, you have to hit this pin right here and knock it down like so, and it's gonna unlatch it. So if you can't get your door open, that's what you have to do, drill that hole. And I'm gonna go up to the door itself so you can see. All right, it goes in right here. 1, 2, and then 3. And you have your harness back off in there. You just can't see it. But anyway, you have to pull this down a little bit. You don't have to take the door all the way off. Just pull it down. See them pins? You just have to pry them pins down. There's quite a few of them. But this one been tampered with before. As you can see, the pins,